friends, welcome. This is my 2021 summer Tiered Tray seasonal collab, and we're in the season of coming to summer, and I ask everyone to design their own look on a friendly budget. Thank y'all for stopping in. Hi friends, welcome. God bless you. Thank you so much for participating. This first one I'm showing you just something I was playing around with, but this is not my final look. So just tell me what y'all think of the first one. So this next one is what I'm going to show you how I put it all together. I'm going to take time to thank all my YouTube friends for participating. Thumbs up to you. God bless y'all, and I truly appreciate it. And here I'm showing you how I'm going to put this decor together. I am going to use my 2-tier tray, the wooden tray. I am going to start with this little sign. It says, enjoy the little things. And I got this from Dollar General. I believe it was $3. And this black lantern, I believe I got it from Hobby Lobby. It couldn't be no more than $3 or $4. I had it for a while. The tier tray I got from TJ Maxx, I think it's either $12 or $14 for that. And that I already had. The only thing I bought here new was this sign here, enjoy the little things. And I bought this sign. I love that sign. I said, wow, this is beautiful. I can use this for something else. And the sign is thankful for every moment. And I am so thankful every moment that God blesses us with in this new season that we're coming to. That's only what's like $3 or $2, I think, at the Dollar General also. So we are so thankful in our season. It's a blessing to, be here to see another season. So enjoy every little moment. And this little thumbs up I got from Dollar Tree, only $1. And I'm asking everyone to please, if you like this, to give me a thumbs up. And the more that you put positive comments on videos, the more YouTube puts it out. So let's be positive, guys, on each other videos. And comment. It does help to get our videos out there. This is just a little small vase that someone gave to me, and I had little Greenery flowers, and I just used it to match the sign. So that is free. I already had this Greenery, so I decided to put some Greenery. And most of the time with tier trays and vignettes and different things, you kind of got to play with them until you find your style that you're looking for. So that's why I ask everyone to design your own look, whatever fits your taste. I'm not picky. I just appreciate you and thank you for joining me. With tier trays, I always love to decorate around it and makes it look better. And I added 2 of my crystal candles to the left. And here I added the orchid with it, but I didn't kind of like the orchid as much, so I'm going to change it. But being that I had it out already, I said, well, let me see how it's going to look. So this is the orchid look. But I ended up changing it and using my white roses instead. And it gave it a little more balance because it made it look more balanced, because with the orchid, it looked kind of weak on the right side. So friends, tell me what you think. This is my final look. This is my summer tier tray collab. And I thank everyone for joining. And please don't hesitate to comment and tell me what you think about this look. I thank God that summer actually will be here on Sunday. The Lord said the same. And I thank God for our new season and the season that we are already in. Guys, we're blessed. And I pray that you'll have a blessed week. And thank those who participated and those that have participated. I truly appreciate you. And if anyone new here, welcome. Thank God for my faithful friends. Thank you. I truly appreciate it. Guys, I pray that y'all be blessed. And please go back and watch the playlist. Y'all have a blessed, prosperous day. Love you from Penny. Bye-bye.